based on mole concept. Here, how many molecules and atoms of oxygen are present in 5.6 liter of oxygen at NTP? So we see we have to find here 5.6 liter of oxygen at NTP. So for this, right here, number of molecules of oxygen will be. So this is the volume. They are asking volume. So right here. 5.6 is the given volume and 22.4 liter is the molar volume, so multiplied by Avogadro number. So you will get here 1.505 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. So this is the given volume present in this one, oxygen. This is the molecules. So what is the number of atoms? So number of oxygen atoms will be, so one molecule of oxygen contains 2 atoms. One molecule of oxygen contains 2 atoms. So here atoms will be how much? So 2 into 1.505 into 10 power 23. So answer will be your 3.01 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of oxygen. Okay, now we'll see second problem. 6 gram of carbon was completely burnt in oxygen. What would be the volume of carbon dioxide produced at NTP and how many molecules will be present in that gas? So second question is, so right here carbon plus oxygen, it will giving you carbon dioxide. This is your 12 gram. So 12 gram is giving how much volume? 22.4 liter. This is your 1 mole, this is your 1 mole volume. So for 6 gram, how much they will give? So for 6 gram, so it will give you 22.4 liter divided by 12 into 6. Okay, so we will get here 11.2 liter at NTP. Now number of molecules, same thing is there. So number of molecules is your given volume by molar volume. So this is your number of moles, and number of moles you multiplied by molar Avogadro numbers. You will get here 3.1 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. So these molecules of this many molecules will be present in that gas. The electric charge on the electron is 1.6 into 10 to the minus 19 coulomb. How much charge is present on 0.1 mole of Cu2 plus ions? So we can write here 1 mole of electron is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 into Avogadro, which is nothing but this will be your 96,500 coulomb, or we can say 1 Faraday. So in electricity, this is new unit is there, 1 Faraday. We used to express these terms. Now they have given 0.1 mole. So 0.1 mole of Cu2 plus ion. So first you write here 0.1 mole because this is 1 mole. 0.1 mole, number of charge is 2 and Faraday is 1. So answer will be your 0.2 Faraday. So this is our basically answers. Now next question is, how many years would it take to spend 1 Avogadro number of rupees at a rate of 10 lakh of rupees in 1 second? So this you say it here, if you take here, so in 1 second we are spending 10 per 6 rupees. Okay, so number of rupees spent in 1 year. So number of rupees spent in 1 year, so this will be how much? 10 per 6 and multiplied by 60 into 60 into 24 into 365. What does this mean? So this is your days. Actually we are converting to seconds. This is your hour, this is your minute, and this is your seconds. So now question is, you have Avogadro number of rupees. So Avogadro number of rupees spent in, so right here Avogadro number 6.02 3 into 10 power 23, and again you divide by this one 60 into 60 multiplied by 24 into 365. So on solving you will get here 19.089 into 10 power 19 years. You can see here this value is very huge, 10 power 19 years. this is so much huge value, then even if you are spending in 1 second 10 lakh rupees, still we cannot finish this rupees. So this one Avogadro, this much big unit, from this example we can understand. Next question, the chlorophyll, in chlorophyll the green coloring pigment of plant contains 2.68% of magnesium by mass. So by mass 2.6% magnesium is present in out of 100%. Calculate the number of magnesiums in 3 gram of chlorophyll. So right here, so in 100 gram we are getting 2.68 gram of magnesium. So if you take 3 gram, okay, 3 gram, so we require how much? 3 gram chlorophyll. If you take 3 gram chlorophyll, so we require here 2.68 divided by 100 into 3, so we'll get here this much magnesium will get. Now number of magnesium atoms will be 2.68 multiplied by 3 divided by 100. So this is our magnesium, and weight of the magnesium, and divide by molecular mass, so this become moles, and multiplied by Na. If you multiply by Na, this become total number of atoms. So total number of atoms will be your 1.98 into 10 to the power 21 atoms of magnesium. So this is basically our answer. So next is your 1 atom of the element weighs 6.644 into 10 power 23 grams. So calculate the number of grams atoms in 40 kilogram of it. So where we can write here, mass of 1 mole of atom will be how much? Right here 1 mole multiplied by here 1 atom. So 1 atom is 6.644 into 10 power 23. So okay, so this is giving here how much? So totally will be your 60 gram. Okay, this is your molecular mass. So 1 Avogadro means 6.23 into 10 power 23. So we are basically multiplying this into this. Okay, so here number of moles in 40 kg will be how much? So 40 into 10 power 3 divided by 40. So this will give you 1000. So this is our basically answer. What volume of CCl4 having density 1.5 gram per cc will contain 10 to the power 25 atoms of chlorine? So here first we have to find the how many moles of chlorine are present. So here moles of Cl atom will be how much? So most we know that 10 power 25 divided by 6 into 10 to the power 23. So this is the most of the chlorine atom. Now see here, 1 mole of CCl4 has 4 moles of chlorine as per the formula. So this is 1 mole CCl, so this is the 1 mole. So here we have 4 moles of chlorine. So we can write here moles of CCl4 will be how much? So 10 power 25 divided by 6 into 10 power 23 into 1 by 4. So now we have to find the volume of CCl4. So we can write here volume of CCl4 will be how much? So mass by density. So again this is given here moles. So right here 10 to the power 25 into 6 into 10 power 23 into 1 by 4. Okay, this is the moles, and you multiply it by 154. So what is 154? It is the molar mass of CCl4. Okay, this is the mass. And what is the density? So density is given 1.5 gram. So on solving we will get here 427 ml, or we can say 0.427 liter. So this is basically our answer. Now second question is that how many atoms and molecules of phosphorus are present in 124 gram of phosphorus? Okay, so this is given here, 1 phosphorus. So how we write here? So write here moles of P4 will be 124 divided by 4 into 31 gram. So this will give you 124 by 124, that is 1 mole. Now 1 mole of P4 contains 4 moles of what? phosphorus atoms. Okay, so this is nothing but the 4. So if you take 1, this is one answer, 4 moles of phosphorus atom. So this means 4 moles. If you take 1 moles, it will contain here 1 mole of 1 moles. It will contain 1 mole of phosphorus molecules. Okay, so total molecules will be how much? Total mass will be 6.023 into 10 power 23 P4 molecules. So this is our answers. Calculate the number of water molecules in a cup having 50 ml of water. Density of water is 1 gram per ml. So we can write here molecules of water in mole will be how much? Moles of number of water molecules in cup. So here moles of water into Avogadro number. So we'll get here molecules of water molecules. So here molecules of water molecules in mole, molecules of water will be here moles of water into Avogadro molecules, right here. Molecules of water will be this much there. So how much moles of water? So moles of water is total they have given 50 ml. So 50 into 1. So volume into 1, this become mass. So mass by 18, this become mole. Mole into Avogadro number, that is 6.023 into 10 power 23. So on solving we will get here 1.67 into 10 power 23 molecules of water present in 50 ml. Now next question is question number 10. This is question number 9. If insulin contains 3.4% of sulfur, what will be the minimum molecular mass of insulin? So here you have to take here minimum mass of insulin. So let's take here 3.4% sulfur means 3.4 gram sulfur present in 100 gram of insulin. So let 3.4 gram sulfur present in 100 gram of insulin. Okay, this is given here. Now minimum molecular mass means for minimum molecular mass we have to take sulfur how much? 32 gram. So this is the minimum mass of sulfur. The minimum mass of sulfur 32 gram. This is present in how much? So again divide by 100 divided by 3.4 into 32. So on solving here we will get here 941